didn't even get to cross.
Alright, hey, what is up everyone? I'm going to try to make this a quick little video just because, I don't know, I'm kind of tired today. But, yeah, today's going to be an unboxing video. I think this is actually going to be my very first unboxing video ever. So it's kind of a big day, special occasion. I don't know what the term is. But I picked this mystery box up from GameStop for about 20 bucks. I'm kind of excited, or not really, or I'm excited, but I kind of already know what to expect just because I hate myself. Whenever there's a mystery box and I'm like thinking whether or not to buy it, I always look it up and look what's inside and kind of just ruin the surprise for me. It's something I definitely need to work on, but I mean, it's whatever. But back on topic, today I picked up the Rick and Morty like Funko Pop mystery box at GameStop. I really like the design of the box. Even after I unbox this, I do think that I'm going to hold on to the box just because it looks so amazing. There are 2 Funko Pops in this, and then some other stuff that I actually don't know what the other stuff is. I don't know. So that's going to be a surprise for me. But yeah, let's open the sucker up. I'm sorry if the angle or whatever, like if this isn't the best unboxing video ever. Like, don't judge me, okay? I'm still very new at this, so it's whatever. God, this box is insane to open. So I'm gonna be able to see the stuff in here before you guys are. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. Those cats will not shut up. Jesus. Okay, just pulling out my Funko app just so I can check the values. I'm going to start with all the other stuff in the box, like the stuff I don't know what they are, and I'll do the pops last, because that's the way I'm going to do it. But yeah, the first item in the box is actually toilet paper. It's freaking toilet paper. Yeah, Rick and Morty toilet paper towelettes. What the hell? Where was this like a month ago when we were running out of toilet paper? I wonder if they released this just so, like, I don't know, I guess that's okay. I mean, if there's ever an emergency, I'm going to pull out my Rick and Morty toilet paper and I'm going to use that. Like, if I'm stuck out in the middle of nowhere, like in the desert, I'm going to pull this out. Like, in the group of survivors that I'm with, I'm just going to pull this out and I'm going to be their king. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Toilet paper. Okay. I like the little photo right there, so that's pretty cool. Next item is it is a Rick and Morty, the king of shit, whoopee cushion. It's more of a like little stress ball. Yeah, it's kind of a stress ball material, just like a bunch of foam. It's not really a whoopee cushion, but it's in the shape of one. So I guess it's pretty cool. I mean, not the greatest. I mean, what the hell, man? This is 20 bucks. No, no, it's pretty cool. Oh wait, I don't know if that's just the bag or if it's the actual whoopee cushion that actually made the fart noise. Let me pull this out of the bag. I gotta see this thing. Alright. Oh, that feels weird. There's like a... Yep, it actually makes a fart noise. Come on. Yep. There we go. Okay. Yep, Rick and Morty little whoopee cushion thing. Okay, that's pretty cool. Next item. I think this is going to be a little keychain. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. It's the crown from Rick and Morty, or the king of shit. Also, if you guys don't like cursing, I'm so sorry. It's just, that's what it says. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I normally don't pick these up just because I like normal Funko Pops. I don't like the keychains. Or it's not that I don't like them, it's just that there's not as much of an appeal for me to get these than normal Funko Pops. But yeah, it's a pretty cool looking thing. I don't think I'm going to add it to my keychain. I think I'm just going to keep this in the box, just like I keep all the other Funko Pops. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little addition. So far I've got the toilet paper, the Whoopee Cushion, the keychain, and now all that is left in the box are the 2 Funko Pops. I'm going to start with the one that I'm not that much of a fan of, and I couldn't really find a value on. But let me see if I can find one right now. I'm going to be surprised if this is worth anything. Oh, pretty good amount. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. It is Tony from Rick and Morty, the dude who shits on Rick's toilet. Yeah, I guess it's okay. He's eating a sandwich. Okay, and I like how his legs are kind of crossed, like he needs to use the bathroom again. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me show you that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And on the back, there's a few other pops. I actually have all of those in my collection right now. Yeah, it's a pretty good looking pop. And like I said, I only paid $20 for the entire box. And Tony, his value right now is $19 on the Funko app, which is pretty freaking sweet. I am so happy with that. And the last pop number 2, which is my favorite out of the 2, just because I'm a biased little piece of poo. I don't know. What am I saying? There was a 10-inch version of this available at GameStop, but I really didn't want to fork over $30 to get it. So, yeah, I'm glad that this is the one that came in it. It is Rick with a crown. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking pop. I wish it was the one. I wish it was similar to the like 10-inch pop, just because the 10-inch pop comes with him sitting on the toilet with a little toilet paper roll right next to him. I wish it did look like that, but I'm not disappointed with this pop at all. It does look pretty cool, and the value is pretty cool too. So the Tony pop was worth $19. Rick with the crown is actually worth $26, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, so I definitely made my money back, which is awesome. I actually doubled my money with this box. Plus, I got a bunch of cool little extras. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to do anything with this. I think I'm just going to put this on my shelf and completely forget that it exists, honestly. But, I mean, same thing with this stuff. I mean, I might be able to sell this. I wonder if this has any value. Let me see if I can get anything for this. It's a very small barcode. I don't know if I can even scan that. There we go. Okay. $4. Not bad. I think these go, like, normal keychain, like Funko Pop keychains go between, like, what, like $2 to $3. Something like that. Yeah, toilet paper, I doubt I'm going to be able to find any value on. I think this is more of a little cool gift. If I end up like finding out that one of my friends is a huge Rick and Morty fan, I think I'm gonna give this to one of them as a little gag gift. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, that was the Rick and Morty mystery box from GameStop. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And I don't know. I'm really happy. I got a lot of value out of this box. I do have a few more mystery boxes coming soon. I think I have a Venom mystery box, or it's not a mystery box, it's the like collector core mystery box, even though they show you everything that comes in it. I already unboxed a Spider-Man Far From Home. I didn't record it though, just because I don't know. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like, comment down below anything that you want. I can't really control you, so do whatever you want. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.